let's talk about what the best crypto card is going to be of 2023. You guessed it, none other than Bybit. Bybit are an incredible trading platform. I've been using them for many years, and just earlier today they announced their Bybit card, a MasterCard, which is incredible. I saw this post on Twitter earlier, and the CEO was speaking on the matter, Ben. He highlighted how Bybit users will be able to access and manage their funds faster, more securely, and more conveniently. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an overview of what the Bybit MasterCard is all about, why you should consider getting one, all the benefits and all the details. So guys, let's get straight into this video. Quick smash of the like button, and of course link is in the video description below should you want to get one, and using this link you can get up to $30,000 to go towards your new Bybit MasterCard, which is free to get, by the way. Anyway, more about that in a minute. So there's a link here to the article, so let's just go over this quickly, and then I'm going to be highlighting all the benefits and their special reward tier system that they have, not many other crypto cards have. Now, Bybit, the world's most visited crypto exchange, it's proud to announce the launch of a Bybit card, a debit card powered by MasterCard, which means you can use it pretty much anywhere in the world where MasterCard is accepted. Now, it's issued by a company called Moonwand, and they're a very reputable card payment issuer that have actually issued for the likes of Binance and some other big exchanges as well. Now, this card's going to allow you to withdraw money from an ATM in the country you're in. It could be any country in the world, because Bybit actually support only 0.5% foreign transaction fees, and you can access your crypto. You don't need a special wallet. Any funds you have available in Bybit, you can have access to via your card. Initially, it's just going to be available for Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and XRP. And the virtual card has actually already been launched, so you can start spending on it straight away. Let's look a bit further here. So, start your 360-degree crypto journey. It's a ramp, an off-ramp for your crypto. So that means you can spend your crypto and you can upload money essentially onto your card as well and transfer that into crypto. So it's a much easier gateway than using the exchange in some cases. Send crypto instantly and go globally, so you can pay, like I said, millions of locations wherever MasterCard is. No fuss, only benefits. Unlock the full potential of Bybit card with zero staking requirements. A lot of card issuers, for example, the likes of crypto.com, Nexo, they require you to stake in order to use their card and spend. You don't need to do that on Bybit. And of course, there's exclusive loyal rewards. So when you spend, you'll get rewards which you can use on the Bybit platform. So there's going to be more information on that posted soon. Now, lower fees, higher value. There's no annual fees or hidden fees. How it works, the Bybit card is a MasterCard debit card that allows easy and secure access to your funds wherever, whenever you may need it. Like I said, off-ramp, flexible card management, limited shopping. This is the timeline of events. So it's been launched now as a virtual card, which you can use to spend online right away. Later in March, there's going to be the launch of the physical card. So they'll send you a physical card. You'll then be able to add it into Apple Pay and Google Pay by the end of April. And also in April, they'll be opening the loyalty rewards system. So all you need to do, guys, if you want to get a free Bybit MasterCard, it's best you use this link. It is an affiliate link, so not only will I earn a bonus, you'll gain up to $30,000 in bonuses. And if you wish to trade as well using a Bybit account, that will give you a lifetime discount on your trading fees. And there's other exclusive community benefits as well, so you can use that link. When you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this page. But make no mistake about it, it will be the $30,000 bonus. If you click sign up, you'll see it gives you this page. If you don't go through the link, you won't have access to the $30,000 rewards, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. There is a frequently asked questions bit on that page as well. I hope I provided value. Let me know if you'll be getting the Bybit MasterCard as well in the comments below. Subscribe for daily technical analysis. Feel free to check out any one of these videos on screen before you go. See you on another video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.